Shri Dharmendra Pradhan Ji, Honorable Minister for Education, Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Shri Ravi Mittal, Secretary, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Mr. Kalsi, Mr. A.M. Naik, colleagues from the Ministry, partners of the Ministry and friends. It is just a week since I was given the privilege and honor to serve in the government and tasked with the responsibility of being Minister of State for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. So it is a great pleasure to be part of this World Youth Skills Day and to be part of a celebration of 6 years of hard work by the team in this ministry in executing Skill India, the inspiring vision set out by our Prime Minister 6 years ago. The vision and desire of our Prime Minister is in many ways very simple and very clear. The outcome that he seeks is that the youth of our country are energized, empowered by skilling them and gatewaying them into opportunities and productive careers. As someone outside the government, but as an observer of the government for the last 6 years, Skill India has always struck me as being, along with education, the biggest transformational programs for the youth of our country. In the last 6 years, over 1.25 crore youth have been trained. A very robust and constantly expanding network for skill delivery has been built, consisting of ITIs, PMKK and JSS, and programs and courses in skilling are now in the hundreds. So while we do celebrate the progress made in the last 6 years towards PM Narendra Modi Ji's vision of empowering youth, it is also clear that this unprecedented and devastating COVID pandemic requires us to review and renew our strategy, goals and outcomes for the coming years, and to do so with significant urgency. It is a very important thing that our minister is both Education Minister and Skill Development Minister. That both education and skill development need to be looked at an integrated manner to gateway our children and youth into the future is the way to move forward. On this occasion, I quote what the Prime Minister said in 2016. He stressed, and I quote, on the need for proper skill mapping and identification of the future requirement for skills so that school children and parents are well aware of the emerging trends in the job market. Further, he said in 2016 that a similar exercise should be done to map the skilled manpower requirements at the global level so that India can meet the global requirement of skilled workforce. Prophetic words from our Honorable Prime Minister in 2016, because as we are today grappling with the COVID pandemic, we are clearly aware that the market demand for skills have also gone through deep, possibly permanent changes. That the world supply chains have also tectonically changed is evident. All this presents challenges and opportunities for our youth, for our ministry, and I believe that the teams and the ministry should swiftly and smartly adapt to both the opportunities and challenges so that the youth benefit. Technology and the internet are also making the prospective student reaching the prospective student and the youth easier. It is clear and obvious that Prime Minister Narendra Modi Ji's vision of Digital India from 6 years ago was a far-sighted one and has helped the nation both in terms of resilience and pursuing new opportunities arising from this COVID-impacted era. The explosion of online education and skilling is again a tailwind for our efforts that we can and must build on. I speak for myself, and I can say I'm personally very excited to be here in this ministry, to be working with my senior colleague, Dharmendra Pradhan Ji, to be celebrating the 6 years of Skill India, and to also to be happy to, along with you, reimagining even more stronger, accelerated, and focused set of outcomes for the youth in the coming years. I thank you all for contributing to the progress made so far. I look forward to working with all of you to continue this work in the coming times, to further strengthen the Atmanirbhar Bharat promise, to see the goal of Skill India and careers for our growth expand further and stronger. Thank you. Jai Hind.